Is this thing on? Yeah, it's definitely on. I just had to do that for the intro though, because it felt right. But yeah, hey guys, long time no see. That's on me, been a busy guy. And I don't know, I've just been like in school and doing school related things. Well, since the last time we talked, a lot has changed. A lot has changed. The last time I spoke to y'all, I was a freshman in college, and now I'm a senior. I've made lots and lots and lots and lots of mistakes, but on top of that, I've accomplished so much that I'm proud of. Again, I'm a senior in college now, which is crazy to say because it feels like yesterday I was doing a homecoming video for my senior year of high school. With that being said, it's time for me to grow up a little bit. Like, I feel like I've grown, but I'm stepping out of that, realm of what I call, I guess, um, I'm, one second. Like, no, I'm stepping into the real world now, especially after this year. So that means like a job, real life, bills, etc., living on my own, which I'm excited about, but I still have a lot to like learn in terms of that. I'm still working on the title of this mini series or whatever. The theme is basically growing up, whether that be small details or like major details. I want to start this series off by doing something I usually like to do on this channel, which is cleaning up and reorganize my life. Like, I think that's one of the main things I used to do on this channel a lot. Your room is a reflection of your mind, and I know this is like a common theme, especially in college. Like, let's say it's final season or something like that. Your room typically looks insane, but I think to combat that, just cleaning it up on the surface, like roll beefing right now. Looking at my room right now, it's not dirty. Like, on the surface level, it's not dirty at all. Yeah, it looks clean and like it's livable, but once you go in and like look up close, you see like different things that only you might notice. Deep cleaning is required. Is it? I can't tell if it's focusing on me. So my bedroom and my bathroom. We're gonna start in my room because I really don't feel like cleaning my bathroom right now. Cleaning the bathroom is such an all-day thing for me. When I clean up my bathroom, I get in there. I can show you my deep cleaning process. Why am I putting quotations around that? I actually do deep clean. I'll clean up for real. So yeah, this is just my suit rack. All I'm gonna be doing over here really is just reorganizing this by color probably. I told y'all we're deep cleaning this, so that includes stripping this down, cleaning it first, dusting it off, wiping it down, and then we can put the clothes back up here. No. Specialty to just my normal suits. Specialty ends probably about right here. The normal suits will range from dark suits to then lighter suits. And what I mean by specialty is like tuxedos, special blazers, maybe like a pattern blazer or something. One of my favorite blazers is reversible. Nice burnt orange slash, I guess if you want to say brown, occasionally. So I'll put that there. This doesn't fit. I need to give it away. I can't wear this. It's just black though. This also doesn't fit. I'll put it there for now. If you remember, this is from senior prom of high school. This blazer, velvet, I guess like a midnight blue vibe. I'm gonna put it here because I'm gonna flip this one. But yeah, I wore the velvet one to prom junior year. More fitting. This is another black blazer. Wore this senior year homecoming. Yeah. I'll just put this in front of the tuxedo. So yeah, that's the specialty stuff. Now we can just hang everything else. I did black first, then I went to grays and did darkest to lightest in grays, darkest to lightest in blues, darkest to lightest in browns. So this looks pretty nice so far. And as you can see, I kept my dream catcher and my hats up there just to add some character. It makes it look more lived in my opinion. So my camera is already on the verge of that. So we're gonna move over to something that we can sit down and do while my camera charges. This device, this cool thing. One of the boxes that y'all saw me pull out is actually my tie box, just full of different ties. I'm just gonna look all ties. Excuse me, the name is tie rack. But yeah, I'm gonna hang all of these. Do a time lapse on my phone or something. So here's the finished product. Good news and bad news. I filmed this, but I thought I was filming it in a time lapse, but I was actually filming it in cinematic mode on my phone. I started with blacks and then went up to like black pattern, then I went to blue and then blue pattern, and the same with the red / like burgundy ones over here. So I'm just gonna hang this up on the end on the inside, and yeah. Oh, that's already falling. This is just another khaki suit. My mom got me two because she didn't know which size I would like, or well, she didn't know which fit I would like more. I don't know if I can still return this actually. Like I haven't worn it, and I didn't take the tags off of this one. I took tags off the other one. We're gonna tackle this. It's more so just toiletries and a bunch of clutter in this drawer. Now it's time to tackle what I would consider my almost cluttered area. First, we're gonna clear this whole thing off. I'm gonna tackle this first. So I got hungry. So we're gonna take a break. This is so crazy. The last time y'all see me, I didn't have a car. Now I do. But when I drive, I usually like to listen to more calm music. something very mellow.
Yeah, we stay lit.
Very chill. Not too much. What's going on? Oh, it's on me. Okay, cool. Who says you can't get cheddars? I wanted to give you the crisp. They do. They do give you. I'm impatient. So when I get something to eat, I like to eat it right then. I'm gonna see y'all later. I'm about to do some questionable things. Bye. Yeah, man. Like, yeah, nah. So my room is finally done. Roll the montage. This lighting, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Finished my room, but I just don't. It's 12:15. I'm gonna do the bathroom in the morning. Good afternoon. It is officially tomorrow, aka Monday. The goods are secured. Went to Subway too. So y'all can see I changed. Usually when I wear this shirt, it means I'm about to clean up. Now it's time to clean the bathroom. I'm gonna give y'all a little peek. Right now I'm just cleaning up this area, cleaning everything up. I'm probably gonna turn this into a time lapse though, so yeah. Area is cleaned off, looks disgusting. What I learned is you can leave from the top down. Mirror, clean, sink, getting clean. Any surface I like to put some pledge on there. Well, you can see me. That's awkward. Sink area done. Looks really nice. Bathroom cleaning 101, you know you gotta let the tub soak. I'm about to spray the tub down or whatever and soak it. And while it's soaking, I'm gonna clean the toilet. This is gonna take a little bit. Lightheaded, bruh. Now all I have to do in here is mop, sweep first, then I'll mop, and then I'll be done. Well, my ice machine does it. Roll the montage, bro. Okay, so everything is folded. Now I'm just gonna put these up. When it comes to clothes, I'm very type A, like just based on how I fold everything. But honestly, everything else, not really. Okay, well, yeah, that's the video pretty much, and I don't want to keep this outro too long. It's good to be back for sure. Fingers crossed I stick to it. Y'all stay cool. Now have a good night if it's nighttime. Have a good day if you're watching this midday. Have a good morning if you're watching this while you're eating breakfast. Hopefully it's something nutritious. See y'all next time, maybe. Is it? Hold on, guys. Let me lock it real quick. Well, yeah, but on top of that, I've whoa. Maybe ice has any variation of ice. Grady roll beef. I'm gonna be corporate. So do I need to like lock in now? Under the bed, it doesn't exist. It's fake. It's AI. Oops.
Y'all not standing here?